We are going to continue similarity lessons. In my previous video of a similarity, we see relate similarity, some problems related with the similarity. What is a similarity? Ratio of areas of two triangles. If heights of two triangles are same, then their ratio proportional to their bases. If the areas of two triangles are equal bases, both triangles are equal bases, then they proportional to their corresponding heights. Okay, and some examples related with this. That means ratios of areas of two triangles is equal to the ratio of product of their bases and corresponding heights. Areas of triangles with equal heights are proportional to their corresponding bases. Areas of triangles with equal bases are proportional to their corresponding heights, and some problem related with this. Now today we are going to see some theorems. Next point in this lesson, that is a basic proportionality theorem, BPT theorem. In short, we may say BPT. That means basic proportionality theorem. What is this theorem? If a line parallel to the sides of a triangle intersects remaining sides in two distinct points, then the line divides the sides in the same proportion. We see this theorem on the board. Okay, I am writing here for BPT theorem. Okay, then let's see what is the theorem. If line parallel to the side of a triangle intersects remaining sides in two distinct points, this is ABC is a triangle and L is a line which is intersects a line parallel to the side of a triangle. That means L parallel to the BC and intersects remaining side in two distinct points. This side and this side intersects. Then line divides the side in same proportion. That means this line divides this and this in same proportion. Okay, here ABC is a triangle, PQ are the points, distinct point where line is intersected. In triangle ABC, line L parallel to the line BC and line L intersects AB at P and AC at Q respectively. Then what to prove? AP upon PB is equal to AQ upon QC. ये प्रूव करना है. ओके, जो दिया है, जो एक लाइन जो है पैरेलल टू द वन साइड ऑफ अ ट्रायंगल, दैट जब एक लाइन ट्रायंगल की एक साइड को समांतर होती है या पैरेलल होती है, वो लाइन बाकी की दो बाजुओं को समान अंतर में या सेम प्रोपोर्शन में डिवाइड करती है. ये प्रूव करने का है. दैट मीन्स AP अपॉन PB इज इक्वल टू AQ अपॉन QC. Now we make construction here. Draw PC and BQ. Okay. Then proof. Triangle APQ. Look at here. Triangle APQ and PQB. These are two triangles. APQ and PQB. These are two triangles have equal heights. ये दोनों ट्रायंगल में APQ और PQB में equal heights है. ओके, therefore heights equal होती है तो proportionality related to their bases. That means AP upon PB. Therefore area of APQ proportional to area of PQB is equal to AP upon PB because area proportionate to bases. Similarly, APQ, PQC. Here in this APQ and PQC में PQ is a common height, therefore proportionality goes to AQ upon QC. Similar way, PQ is common base of PQB and PQC. PQB में और PQC में PQ एक common में, PQB and PQC में PQ is a common base. Okay, PQ parallel to segment BC. Hence PQB and PQC have a same equal heights. Sorry, it's not same, equal heights. Therefore PQB equal to PQC. मतलब ये PQB equal to PQC. ये एक ट्राइंगल यहाँ पे हो गया और ये दूसरा और ये तीसरा, PQB, APQ, PQB and PQC. ओके, PQB is equal to PQC, थर्ड इक्वेशन हो गया. Therefore रेशियो ऑफ एरिया ऑफ APQ मतलब एरिया ऑफ APQ is to area of PQB is equal to area of APQ divided by area of PQC. From equation 1, 2, 3 we can draw here. Area of APQ, what is AP upon PB, and area of APQ PQC, EQ upon QC. This is proof. Okay, I think all of you understand very easily. मतलब ये ट्रायंगल इस ट्रायंगल के साथ प्रोपोर्शन बनाया और ऊपर का एक नंबर का ट्रायंगल का 3 नंबर के साथ बना दिए. Therefore 1 3 और 1 2 और 1 3, these are proof of this equation. This is basic proportionality theorem. AP upon PB is equal to AQ upon QC. Similarly, this is the basic proportionality theorem, that is the BPT theorem. Converse of basic proportionality theorem, what? A line divides two lines of a triangle in the same ratio, then line is parallel to the third side. That means अगर कोई भी लाइन किसी भी ट्रायंगल को टू साइड्स को सेम रेशियो में डिवाइड करती है तो वो लाइन ट्रायंगल की एक बाजू को समांतर होती है. दैट इज द कॉन्वर्स ऑफ द BPT theorem. That is the converse. That means AP upon PQ is equal to AQ upon QC. We see here. Okay. Then this theorem can be proved by indirect method. Okay. Now we are going to see next point. Angle bisector means property of angle bisector of a triangle. Okay. This topic is that property of an angle bisector of a triangle. अगर एंगल को बाइसेक्ट करने के बाद ट्रायंगल में एक किसी ट्रायंगल का एंगल को बाइसेक्ट करने का जो प्रॉपर्टी है उसके ऊपर एक थ्योरम है. द थ्योरम इज दैट द बाइसेक्टर ऑफ एन एंगल ऑफ अ ट्रायंगल डिवाइड्स द साइड अपोजिट टू द एंगल in the ratio of remaining sides. Okay, in triangle ABC, bisector of angle C, ABC is a bisector of angle C, intersect segment AB in the point E. AB को bisect मतलब ट्रायंगल ABC में एंगल C बाइसेक्ट होता है और वो AB को E में इंटरसेक्ट करता है. अभी हमको प्रूव क्या करना है? To prove AE upon EB, AE upon EB is equal to CA upon CB. AE upon EB is equal to CA upon CB. Right? We make a construction. Draw a line parallel to the ray CE. CE को draw a line parallel, draw a line की passing through the point B and extended AC and intersect at point D पॉइंट में इंटरसेक्ट होती है. इतना कंस्ट्रक्शन कर दिया मतलब ये लाइन पैरेलल निकाली और इसी AC को आगे एक्सटेंड किया और दोनों D पॉइंट में मिल जाते हैं. प्रूफ. नाउ लुक एट द प्रूफ. इट इज वेरी वेरी इजी. CE पैरेलल टू रे BE, CE पैरेलल टू रे BD, राइट? CE parallel to ray BD, CE parallel to ray BD and AD is a transversal. Then what happens? Angle ACE is equal to CDB, corresponding angle. ACE and ADB both are corresponding angle. Equation 1. Now take BC एज ए ट्रांसवर्सल. BC को ट्रांसवर्सल लिया. अभी एक बार AC को ले लिया, अब BC को. These are two parallel lines and BC is a transversal. Okay, then what happened? ECB congruent equal to CBD, that is alternate angle. ECB CBD, these and these both are alternate angles. Equation 2. But ACE congruent ECB given. AC मतलब C बाइसेक्ट होने की वजह से ACE and ECB both are congruent angles. Therefore CBD मतलब ECB is equal to CBD. Therefore, ACE is equal to ECB. Therefore, CBD congruent CDB. CBD congruent CDB. Right from equation 1, 2 and 3. Now in triangle CBD बाजू वाला ये ट्राइंगल CB congruent CD मतलब ये लाइन और ये लाइन बोथ लाइन्स आर अपोजिट्स टू द कॉन्ग्रुएंट एंगल, मतलब ये एंगल इक्वल है, ये एंगल इक्वल है, तो ये दोनों बाजू भी दोनों साइड्स भी इक्वल्स रहेंगे, राइट। देयरफॉर CB इज इक्वल टू CD, इक्वेशन नंबर 4। नाउ इन ट्राइंगल ABD ये बड़ा वाला ट्राइंगल, सेगमेंट EC पैरेलल टू BD by construction, therefore AE upon EB is equal to CA or AC upon CB from equation 4 and 5. Sorry, AE upon EB is equal to AC upon CD by BPT theorem, or AE upon EB is equal to AC upon CB. CD हो या CB हो, both are equal. CB and CD both are equal from equation 4 and 5. These through angle bisector theorem. Okay, I think all of you understand very well.